versus Claw.
Alright, here we are at Perkins. Like, it's almost like a Denny's. Yeah, this really cool. I think it's, yeah, by Clean Sweep. Everything's filled really high. It looks breakable. It's just, and it's only 25 cents too. So it's a really old machine. Surprised it still works. Wow. Oh yeah, I'm gonna rake so much. Ooh, if it goes over enough. Ooh, almost got that. Ooh, it doesn't even have a timer though. Oh crap, I'll just go for this purple guy.
Okay, have fun.
Ooh, come on, maybe. Yes! No way, first try, got him. Nice. Alright, we got a little bear. Alright, that giraffe is totally gettable. I love this machine. 25 cents per play. Man, it's hard to find a machine that's this cheap and still gives out prizes. I think right there. Oh, it's gotta have perfect. Perfect grab right there. Yes. Nice. So getting a lot of quarters. Alright, 2 prizes for 50 cents. Alright, got some more change. So can't believe how cheap this thing is. It's awesome. Love this claw. Has a good grip and everything. Ooh, no, that bear looks really heavy. You can almost, that cord is almost knocking that bear right in. Let's go for, see if I can get, oh yeah, see I rake this cat forward. Should be able to grab it now. Perfect. That's got him. What? No. Oh, really? Man. Okay. Oh, dang it. This guy's getting a little bit weaker on me.
Hi, this evening? Yeah. Would you like a table or a booth?
Oh, that should have him, totally. Yes. Oh, 2 in 1. Dang it, almost got a 2 in 1. Oh, that's okay. Now I got my backpack. Okay, one more try. There we go. That's a better position I can get him in.
And she's 3. So I'm going to just put that aside.
That should have it. Yeah, how did that lose? Oh man.
I'm surprised.
Nope.
No?
Ooh, ran out of time, but I think I got him. Yes. Got him. Alright.
Last year it really wasn't.
Alright, 2 more prizes.
We might.
Alright, we're playing the claw machine again. I love this claw. What? What the frick? Wow, it just ate my quarter. There we go. I don't really even care that much. Nope. Oh man. Ooh, that should have it. Yes, get in there. Come on. Are you kidding me? Yes, got him. Should get him in. Okay.
I was hoping I didn't drop it there someplace.
Yes, got the bear. Stay. Yes! Got him. 2 in a row. Love this machine. This is like the best machine in the world. It's not rigged. It's because of how old it is. We're back here down.
Yes. No, they don't.
Oh, ran out of time. Nope, alright. Okay, we're back again. Love this machine. Love it to death. So easy. Love this. Alright, let's see. Okay, I'm trying to knock this red dog in the back so that he's rakeable. He's just not cooperating. Ooh, there we go. Got him. Let's see if I can get him now. Let's hope it goes all the way down. Ooh, that's got him. Yes. Stay. Oh, no. Really? Crap, now I gotta spend another quarter on him. I should put Angry Birds in here. That'd be like a dream come true. Oh, come on. Okay, I'll just grab it. It's got it. What? Are you kidding me? It's like right there. Oh, fine. Took my quarter. Alright. Let's see, maybe get him by the head this time. Oh yeah, that should have him. Okay. That should have him. Yes, got him. Last try. Nice. Got the red dog. It's not really much gettable, so I think I'm gonna end it here. I don't even really know what that is. I think it's a dog. Alright. Okay, my sister just won this bear. She didn't want to be videotaped, so I couldn't videotape her. Sorry about that. But she did win this bear. Perfect grab. What? I'm gonna try to get that dog right there. See, you can have him if I get him.
I tell you, I don't.
Oh, yes.
You know, the bad part is.
Nice.
I win it.
Yep, you guys can have it.
Johnny,
Then
can
the
you?
farmers aren't going to get in with the spring wheat.
Now I have to get one for me.
Okay, I'll try to
It's so
win.
dry. Right.
What do you want? Maybe I can win that like sparkly pig. I think, maybe, or whatever it is back there.
But then it's not going to get it.
Get that pink face.
Okay, let's try and see.
I don't know. It's.
Oh, come on.
Next
No.
Did you see him? He snagged that other one.
Yeah. I think I. All right.
Like that.
Oh,
you guys
that-
headed back to Cindy?
You're trying to get one for me.
Here, I'll try. Yeah, I have some more if you guys want. I like cleaned out this machine. Are you serious? Yeah, it's really easy to win. See if I can win this. Not really much, but yeah. Let's see. See, that should probably get it. Yep. All right. Nice.
Okay, I gotta go back.
There you guys go.
Oh, that's a cute one.
What's up, guys? Announcing the winners for my red Angry Bird that I'm giving away for free anywhere around the world. Congrats to Beth Yastrap for winning. Beth, if you're on, send me your address through a private message to my YouTube. And thank you guys for watching this video. Do a quick thumbs up and favorite this video if you enjoyed it. And I just want to say, those prizes I won, I gave all to those kids that were watching me. I won 12 prizes, and I gave them all away to them. They were really cool. I wish I got it on a film, but it'd be kind of weird because their parents were there, like me filming their kids. That would just turn into a way awkward moment. So, yeah, thanks guys for watching. I'll be posting videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. So, see you next time on Tuesday. Thanks for watching, even though I already said that again. That was a bad ending. I need to do a better one. See you guys next time. Bye.